When you choose to go solar with HES, you're getting two things. You're getting quality and you're getting a lifelong partnership.
The process does not end after you sign the contract. You've got people here that are going to be monitoring the system. You've got engineers and on-site staff that are going to come out and take care of any issues if they arise.
We offer a 10-year installation and workmanship warranty. If anything should go wrong within 10 years, we will take care of the labor and the costs that will go into repairing your system. In addition to that, we have a warranty with SunPower that is a 25-year product and power warranty.
You get a product warranty. You also get a workmanship warranty and a labor warranty. Sort of a bumper-to-bumper warranty, if you will. If anything goes wrong with your system within that 25-year period, it is covered.
Another thing that I want to point out is maintenance is included in all the warranties, and that's something that's a huge advantage with going with a SunPower dealer.
So as a homeowner, it offers a lot of security in that if for some reason something does go wrong with your solar system, if it's a SunPower system, for 25 years, you have no concerns. They handle it, we handle it. It's a really cool warranty offering.